New Waves High School has urged the students to organize a social event in the areas allocated to them. The aim of the program is to develop skills of leadership, self-esteem, person-to-person communication, and most importantly, bring about general awareness among the society. A group of 5 students, Rahul Iyer, Anjali, Happy Singh, Debujit, Vicky, decide to do a project on Indian cinema. But their problem is to convince Rahul's father, Mr. Natarajan Iyer first, who always portrays an anti-cinema attitude. Let's watch Kabhi Haan, Kabhi Na for Bollywood, a tribute to 100 years of Indian cinema.
Social event has to be different and unique. How about organizing health checkup camps? I am sure Vicky's dad, who is the doctor, can help us. It sounds good. That's a brilliant idea. But actually, I have a better and amazing idea. An event which should not only give a chance to interact with people, but one which would play a key role to change the public notion. How about organizing an Indian film fest? Wow, what a scintillating concept! Something really unique. And it sounds perfect as Indian cinema has just completed 100 radiant years. Oh God, a school project on films? See, Anjali, this is what I was talking about. Each one of us enjoys movie, but most of us think it is complete waste and pure nonsense. Majority of them are of the opinion that cinemas are polluting our rich culture and spoiling our youth. Absolutely. So the need of the hour is to change this prejudice. But Rahul, Papa will be very upset. Don't worry, our new gadget can convince Papa. Oh, Papa, just at the right time. We need your permission to organize a social event in our society as part of our school project. Permission for school project? Would I ever say no? Uncle, we are planning to organize Indian Film Fest since Indian cinema jubilantly completed 100 glorious years. Film Fest? Concentrate on your studies, kids. Movies have never done anything good to us. Stay away from it. Vajanti, make them understand. Listen to what they have to say. All right, Papa. Papa, let me read this for you. News? Why not, Rahul? Go ahead. Falkeji's first full-length movie, Raja Harishchandra, will be releasing this Saturday. It is a silent movie as voice technology is not developed yet. This movie is based on story of King Harishchandra from Hindu mythology. Falkeji's expressed images of this sector during the British rule is very difficult. I went all the way to England to learn this new technology. My family and friends are upset with me since my family is already going through grave financial crisis. I hope movie turns out to be good. Rahul, which newspaper are you reading? From where did you get newspaper of year 1913? technology designed by Uncle Ramalingam. This Cinnabon gadget, it's a tribute to 100 years of Indian cinema. Indian cinema is a wonderful medium of communication and it has played a major role in shaping the society. Don't think much. Even you have been a great follower of Indian cinema, its fashion and its changing trends. Natarajan, remember you gifted me same blue sari which Sri Devi wore in Mr. India. Shh. Well, yes, of course, the fashion and trends are greatly influenced by the movies too. Vajanti auntie, even the anarkali style salwar kameez dates back to Mughal Azam movie, isn't it? Absolutely, Madhubala first wore it in the song जब प्यार किया तो डरना क्या, जब प्यार किया तो डरना क्या, प्यार किया कोई चोरी नहीं की, प्यार किया. Happy Singh, did you know fringe haircut your mom has? It is actually called the Sadhna cut. Old actress Sadhna first experimented with it in films. And how can we forget? ढल गया दिन तक हो गई शाम तक. White pants and shoes of Jeetu ji, Amitabh ji's style of tying the knot at end of the shirt appeal to everyone. The big sunglasses and bell bottoms from Diwar variety.
Throw it up.